Hello, my name is Ange. I'm using a communication device called an accent to talk and an eyegaze system. Today, I am going to show you how can I use my off-screen keys for storing notebooks, because you may be like me, your main speak home page is too full. The off-screen key looks like this. By looking off the screen, by looking at the bottom. I use the off-screen keys for storing notebooks because I can't fit every notebook on my home page. Why are the off-screen keys helpful and useful? Because the off-screen are good cause. If you're doing a lot of presentations for school or for work, you can store the notebooks separately and you can go between the off-screen and the main speak application program.